Central and constituency executive CB one more ako na womo akodi dwuma bi ewo na NHIS officer wo ho no omo se omo constituency no bi anya appointment enti womo akotum se womo mu obi anya adwuma it took the mayor and adwumafo no etimi awura adwuma nti several hours so omo di adwuma san krofo akoto office ni mu a ya hwere no e o mind productive hours and ya say no san krofo yinti akwa bolobo ye wogina hoyi wo so constituency executive e wo Tema Central metro hono NHIS and wo makotum yentie no asem a wo no mugina so wo mkasa asem.
NHIS metro director for Tema metro has been done without recourse to constituency executive, and we think that it is becoming too many, one too many if I should say. So this morning we decided to lock the place up until the proper thing is done. Then work can continue. If not, aluta continue. As long as life will permit us.
Or bra Facebook never executive here. On one krakasa or kasakra no. When would na kwatena office ya. Oti akonwa ni mu anu amunato. Sa kasa wo kasakra wuntimi home. Nhyira FM.
NHIS metro director for Tema metro has been done without recourse to constituency executive, and we think that it is becoming too many, one too many if I should say. So this morning we decided to lock the place up until the proper thing is done. Then work can continue. If not, aluta continue. As long as life will permit us. Because if you talk about things and they tell you it should be done, it will be done. But they still continuing in the same fashion from a particular direction, and it means it's not the best for us as a party and as leadership in the constituency. There should be proper consultation. As constituency, my chairman is here. You can find out from him. The organizer is here. Other members of the constituency, executive members are here. There have not been a single meeting that we've been involved in the appointment of anybody to the assembly or any position within the metroship. And that is our problem. Any final message? We want to get it to the appointing authorities that this appointment should be reversed and the proper thing done. Consultation. Whoever is deserved to be here should be here, not somebody we don't know in the constituency. We want somebody who lives here, votes here, and struggled with us since the birth of Tema in 2012. We have laid our life for this party to today. We will not work. Monkey no go work. Can't chop. That will not happen.
Enti akwaya wogina hoyi. Edi adwuma pa no wo constituency o. Chese politics we uka chense onko rounds wo constituency wo kra no na bia party no ye campaign wonko ye campaign akwa we betimi aye campaign across by 3 communities kra. Kasa kra wo kasa kra rebra wo bre. Akwaya wogina hoyi. Wobetumi ara ne 3 communities kura wie ene ye ne abre ene ye yi enti ye mpre mo bia mfiri ba bi foforo ma ya appoint obi so meye metro ayi NHIS no wo meye pani wo Tema metro ho no wo mo so wo mpani wo mo na ye executives say ye anyi obi amfiri wo mo ho no mo a wo mo na ye NDC fo ma ye adwuma ye anyi obi amfiri ho no mo a wo mo mpani enkrofo we bi na ese ye chi wo mo omu akoto aban adwuma mu a adwumafo aba wo ntumi nwuram na ebia be kaplachi bi firi chichi na ba adwuma da no enso omu gina chi omu ntumi nwura office nko ye adwuma amanfo atu kwai so mbehwe omu na NHIS card any ade national health insurance aye renewals na omaye for customer care no sankofo ni nyina be kachiri because of enkrofo bi omu fin se omaye adwuma ma party nti yakoto aban adwuma mu NHIS no enya NDC diawo yeka government abanye adwuma enya party bia de kosisi ho enso hours na makotum no a aseye adwuma mbra nipa enya that opportunity na me answer wo mo no wemu na ese echi wo wemu na ese echi wo it took be bright mayor why ade a competence enya me na mabre eno nti ne yabre wo man mu no obi wa tsebe ti bonko so bia wo nim hwe ne ye de na kosi office because wa bra ma party ti bonko so bia wo nim hwe ne ye de na kosi wo saa de na ekoso nti ye nwuma ni nyina wo bo se na esei akwa we wo ma no kwai so wo nya grounds to see community so betimi ai simhua ne aya na chese wo man ne ye sei no bia ye de ope munchi we mu o ma say productive hours abansika ene nke ye di hye na obi adwuma nko be ma kwan ma we akoso.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira
104.5 FM.
All right, Nhyira 104.5.